$125,000 is what a single SMA client of mine has paid me, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I've been able to get a single client to pay me $125,000 for my digital marketing agency. Look, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so right now. If you guys wanna follow the journey and learn how to grow your social media marketing agency, your digital online marketing business. All right, guys, my name is Jordan, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and spam that thumbs up button. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So $125,000, I did not even think I was going to be able to make 6 figures in a single year, and here we are from 0 to multiple 6 figures, which is crazy. Now we're just making 6 figures from just one client, which is just mind-blowing to me. So I'll go ahead and throw a screenshot right up over here. You guys can check it out. That right there, guys, is one single client paid over, or not over, but $125,000. Now, obviously, that wasn't in one transaction, guys. That was over the span of maybe two and a half years now, 2.5, 3, about two to 3 years, somewhere around there. And I keep stressing this, guys. I keep emphasizing this as agency owners. The most important part isn't to go get new clients. The most important part for your business is to retain the clients that you sign on. It is more important to keep your clients than it is to go get new clients. Okay, guys, just always remember that. It is more important to keep your clients than find new clients. And I just see so many agency owners, and the reason why you may be struggling and the reason why you haven't been able to crack that 10K per month, that 6 figures a year on a consistent basis is because you aren't retaining your clients, right? And the reason why you may not be retaining your clients is maybe a multiple different things, right? It could be coming down to communication, it could be a lot of other things, but the main part when it comes to client retention is fulfillment, guys. It doesn't matter how great your communication is, it doesn't matter how many reports you send them, how further the ranking you've increased, how many leads you generated for your client, what type of platform you are using. At the end of the day, guys, if your client is seeing a return on their investment, a positive return on their investment that makes sense to them, they're gonna stay on with you, okay? So what does that mean? It doesn't matter what your offer is, as long as you take your client from point A to point B, okay? And really your service is the bridge between that gap. So as long as you get them from point A to point B, you're gonna be good. Now this client of mine has been he was probably one of my first clients. He loved me and my company and what we've been able to do. We have built a solid relationship to where they can trust me. We have a mutual trust, and to this day they are still with me. My client retention this very specific client has been with me for, what year are we in? We are in 2018, so they have been with me for 3 years now, to be exact. Right, a little bit over. We're in July, a little bit over 3 years now. So that just goes to say, guys, in your agency, how long are you retaining your client? Okay, because when it comes down to client retention, it's all about fulfilling your services and what you promise, okay? I was talking to a new prospect today over the phone, and they were just complaining about their current marketing company, how they do everything for them. They're running their social medias, they're doing the SEO, and they're doing their Google ads, which is great, right? You can offer these multiple services and upsell and things like that. But when you try to do everything, you try to offer multiple services, you're just trying to be a jack of all trades, and you're gonna end up being a master at none. Okay, so what we do, we specifically specialize in running Google ads to generate phone calls for local businesses. Clients will come to me, hey, can you manage my social media? Hey, can you run our SEO? Hey, can you build our website? And we don't really take on those type of services. Like, sure, we may help them out, we may outsource it, we may refer them to someone that we trust that could do a good job. But as far as what we do, we focus on what we know best, right? And so when you are able to under promise and over deliver, that is how you keep your clients, guys. And that is how you're gonna have one single client paying you over $100,000, and $125,000 in this case. Now, some of you guys might know how I started my journey, right? I took a course, I ran Facebook ads for local clients and local businesses and things like that. And I found that Facebook ads just didn't really work for me because you're always having to split test new images, new headlines, new captions, new videos and creatives. And I just didn't like that. And then there's ad fatigue and just the intention, the customer intention on Facebook ads doesn't compare to Google ads, right? When it comes to high quality leads, Google is bar none the best at generating high quality leads, right? Google is the #1 search engine for a reason. When someone is searching something up on Google, they already have an intention to hire that service or purchase that product. So when I finally made that transition from running Facebook ads to something more high quality, sure, the lead cost may be a little higher or whatever, but I noticed that clients were so much happier, right? It doesn't matter how much they're paying, or it doesn't matter that they're paying more, but now they're getting quality in return. They're saving time on not having to follow up on bad leads, not getting bad leads coming in. And so the whole experience was just a lot better. And I'm not knocking Facebook ads or anything like that. Facebook is still a great platform to run ads on. Just for me, as far as generating high quality leads for local businesses, Google was where it's at for myself. And when I made that transition, guys, that's how I was able to land this client. This client has been with me for over 3 years and $125,000 later. Now, this isn't the only client, okay, guys? Just remember that. I have a lot more clients, and some of them are actually approaching the 6-figure mark. We're having multiple clients that are paying me $100,000 over a span of whatever time frame it is, okay? Now, our prices has increased and things like that. Now, look, guys, if you guys want to learn more about my systems on how I've been able to scale my agency from 0 to multiple 6 figures without any experience or knowledge, believe me, I didn't have any marketing experience when I started out. I didn't have any sales background. I didn't know how to run Facebook or Google ads either. I didn't know how to do any of this. Check out the link in the description. I got a free masterclass in there. And if you want to connect with myself and thousands of other agency owners and just mastermind, make sure you join the free Facebook group. That link's also in the description as well. I hope you guys took something away from this video. Client retention, guys. Client retention is more important than going to find new clients. There's so many agency owners that are stressed on going and get that next clients when they already have a couple clients here. And you forget about the clients that you work so hard to get. You start paying attention to that and you lose them, and it's a constant cycle. Clients drop off, you sign new clients, and you kind of just remain stagnant, right? So it's more important to keep your clients, even if you're stagnant with your current clients, that is still, you're building a solid foundation. So every time that you sign a new client, you know that they're gonna stay with you for a long time. And that's where I was at with my agency for the longest time. And that is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.